Wadau wakurugenzi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Serem and today we are at Amazement Park. And as you can see, the price value is 100 shillings entry fees. Such amazing place. Come with us to Ndeni Amazement Park.
Guys, I am Tito. As always, MTK Tours is now entering to a new place called Amazement Park. Thank you for your continuous support. Thank you for your subscription, guys. Continue supporting us. Subscribe to our channel. If you are new in this channel, we are about travels, adventures.
First, let's start with the bush camp. It is equipped with a restaurant with affordable menu. It also has 3 houses for relaxation and you can get good aerial views. For the bottle lovers, there is a canopy joint where you can grab 1 or 2 bottles. You will be amazed by how you can order your food or drink at the treehouse, which will be delivered using a well-designed winch mechanism. The park has a well-established wood museum, having been located in a forested environment. The museum holds the imagination of man and shapes that nature portrays to us without craft. You see the beauty of wood in its deep symbolism and gives voice to the silent manifestation of the gifts of nature. As you can see, this portrays the female gender. While this other side portrays the male gender. It is subject to a discussion because it depends on what it evokes in you as an individual. Wow, here you meet nature and nature meets you.
So guys, we are now in the kitchen and I am with our chef here. What's your name?
Amundi.
Yes, I'm with Omosh here and he's in the process of showing me how their kitchen looks like, having situated in a bush.
It's called local chicken.
Yes.
Local kitchen, yeah.
Local kitchen, local bush kitchen.
Yeah, kitchen.
So he has given me some snacks here. So vegetable, spring rolls and the crepes.
Crepes.
Here. Let me give it there.
Karu.
The karu.
So guys, wadau wakurugenzi, yani hii place imeni nice tu sana. It's a very amazing place. You need to come to this place. It's so amazing. Such an amazing place. And as MTK Tours, we'd like to always be taking you to such amazing places. So book with us, travel with MTK Tours. Kavile tunasema tembea nasi.
You guys, you like our videos, make sure you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, press the notification button so that you can be getting our videos each and every Thursday. We upload our videos. So if you have any other place which is amazing, which we can bring it out, we can go air, do a video about that place, hit the comment section, type the place, we will just DM you and we'll coordinate of the place you want us to go.